Hello, my name is Jamie. I would not be able to do the intro without this new stand I brought. Look, it's basically turned it into a teleprompter. So, in this video, I'm going to show you this brand new stand that I've just bought for myself. It's mostly for like overhead shots, but I found out you've got like other features like being able to put an iPad in it and make it a teleprompter. So I'll show you a bit about this stand and why I'm so impressed with it. So the reason why I went for this stand instead of other ones where you can clip onto your table is that what if I wanted to do a video, like an overhead video, and I don't have a table nearby. There is some you can buy on Amazon that are a lot cheaper, but I like this freestanding one. It was £60, I know, quite a bit for a stand, but it's gonna do what I need it to, so I'm quite happy. It's got a nice metal heavy base at the bottom to keep it nice and stable, and then you can adjust that. Have a look at that. So you can adjust it to different positions. You can extend the height on it, so you can make it that high. Enough orientation is to do selfie mode, or as I was using it like a teleprompter. So yeah, it's really good. Because I was doing it on my computer table before and I just didn't have enough room, so this is going to come in handy if I have to do videos where I'm doing like overhead shots. Other people might want to use it for painting, you know, if they're doing a nice drawing or a painting overhead. This is absolutely perfect for it because it cuts out the base. You can't see it. When this is extended, it cuts it out, which is absolutely wonderful. So we've got an iPad or tablet, like cradle, if you want to call it that, which holds it in place. Other ones you get one for mobile phone, which I will be using, and then I can just turn it like that and have it. Actually, I'll show you. I'm going to switch it to the mobile grab bit. 1 second. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when we put it in the little cradle, the little holder. So it will fit in there, and you can see I've got a nice chunky case as well, and it's still managed to grip it, so if you do have a case on your phone, I don't think it'll be a problem. See, and I can have my hands free, because I'll tell you, it's really difficult when you have to like film with one hand if you're trying to hold the phone up and then do a demonstration. It's really difficult, so the fact that I can do this hands free is going to be a godsend, a lifesaver. So just for this feature alone, it's worth it. And can you see? You will not be able to see the good old metal plate that is keeping it stable, so you don't really have to worry about that. Nothing's going to get in the way. If you did want to do, I don't know, some cooking or a drawing sort of video, it's perfect for that. And you thought I was going to leave without asking the most important question. How big is it? The stand, that is. And I found a tape measure next to my bed. Anyway, so from the lowest point, we are hitting 13.5 inches. But we just tighten up there. That then goes up to 23, and then if you want to go for the tallest measurement, £3 foot. If you're going to use it for your phone, it supports between 4.5 and 6.5 inch screens, so that will probably support quite a lot of phones out there. So yes, it's a good little stand, and I think it's going to come in handy. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you hated it, subscribe. Okay, thanks very much. Good day.